In front of me is Apple iPad mini from 2021, and let me show you how to activate and use camera timer on this device. So at first you need to locate and open the camera app. Here it is. And now just click on this clock icon, which is for timer. And you can pick 3 or 10 seconds delay. Let me go with 10 seconds delay. And now you can grab a picture with 10 seconds delay. And that's it. As you can see, it has been grabbed. Then if you'd like to switch the timer off, just pick off. And that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.